Christmas don't start for this my state. This my state, they don't put Christmas lights for everywhere. Christmas lights in everywhere. Let me go to the almost to the center. Oh, but guys, cool deal. Christmas light have started. We are going to celebrate Christmas. Because Christmas. The entrance of the restaurant where we are going to eat our food. Now we are in my state, guys. Okay, the center of my state. This is a church, not daddy, or museum.
No, a church.
It was a church before.
The church 1,500 years ago.
Okay, it was a church 1,500 years ago. Okay, wow.
It's from the 5th century.
What did you say?
It was built in the 5th century.
The 5th century. 5, yeah, I know. We are going to where we want to do our aperitif.
I'm freezed in Europe.
There is cold, guys. There is cold. We are freezing. Chef, salute.
Va bene, guarda di